My name is Ned. We actually met the Dolans back in 2014, and right around 2017, 2018, we asked them to build this bar of ours. It's a fun place that we can fit a lot of people, it's comfortable, and it's just a great family spot for us. The Dolans are so detail-oriented. You can tell just by their craftsmanship how much they care about each and every piece that they do. It was exactly what we wanted. It was the exact kind of finish and color, and it just fits perfectly back here. I like to call myself the bartender. I sit right behind the bar, dish out drinks to everyone. I love how much character that this bar has, and how you can just tell that, you know, they spent a lot of time and they put a lot of effort into this, and the product came out fantastic.